Hello students, this video is powered by Synthesis Tutorial. So in the previous session children, we were done till the first exercise, that is exercise 9A, and now we will be moving on to what? We will be moving on to the next part, that is exercise 9B. Now before moving to exercise 9B, there are certain concepts that you should be knowing, so we will be just looking into it. So what are those concepts children? The concept is multiplication of a matrix. So as of now we have done the addition part, we did how to add the matrix, we did how to subtract, and now we'll be doing what? We'll be doing how to multiply two matrices. Now for that what we'll be doing children, there are two type of multiplication. One is the multiplication of a matrix with a matrix, and one is the multiplication of a matrix with a number, or you can say it with a real number. So as of now we'll be dealing with by a real number, because first exercise is all about that, and in the next portion we'll be dealing about multiplication of a matrix with a matrix. So this is with a real number. So what happens children, to multiply a matrix by a scalar or a real number, we have to multiply each element. Okay, so suppose I have a matrix which goes like this, AB, and suppose I am multiplying it with another real number C. So what does this become? We'll be multiplying, this is AC and into BC. So this becomes my multiplication. If I want to explain this with the help of an example, it goes like this children. Suppose 2 is being multiplied by the matrix 2, 4, then it will become what? It will become 4 and 8, like this. Okay, and similarly suppose I am multiplying 3 with the matrix 1, 4, 9, 7. Okay, so this becomes how much? Each element will be multiplied by 3. So this becomes 3, 27, this becomes 12, and this is 21. So this is the matrix which you are getting. Alright, so the next part that we'll be looking into is what children will be looking into. The example part, if you see children, the examples that are there in your textbook, that is example number 6 and 7, that is totally based on this type of exercise, this type of concept children. And then there is one more thing children, suppose the question has been given that you have been given a matrix A, and suppose you have been given another matrix whose value is B, and then they have given you the equation like this, that A plus 2x is equal to B, and now you have to find out the value of matrix X. So in that case what you have to do, you will be seeing that you will be solving like this children, 2x is equal to B minus A. So what you will be doing from matrix V, you will be subtracting matrix A, and then whatever the matrix you are getting, the resultant one, X will be half of this. Now what is half of this children? Means what? Suppose I am getting 4, 2, 8, 7 or 8, 6, then half of this will become how much? This becomes 2, 4, 1 and 3. So this is called half of the matrix B minus A. Alright, so this is the concept of multiplication which is there. So I just hope you are all done with the understanding part, because this is a very simple concept children, that whenever you are multiplying it by a real number, each and every part which is there, suppose A, B, C, D, and it is being multiplied by 2, so this becomes 2A, 2B, 2C and 2D. Okay, so each and every element of the matrix is going to be multiplied. So this is the only concept which is there for exercise 9B children. So without wasting time, we will be now moving to exercise 9B. Okay, so there goes my first question. I'll be writing down here exercise 9B. So we'll be doing the question number 1 children. So question number 1 is an easy one children. The first and second sub question I'm going to give you as homework, that is direct multiplication children. So that you will be taking as homework. I'll be doing which one? The third one. So this is first sub question number 3. Okay, so this is 2, and then we are multiplying this minus 1, 2, 0 and minus 3. Okay, plus we have a second matrix, so 3, 4, 3, 3, 5, 3, 0. So what is important here for you to notice, children, that for multiplication of a matrix you are not at all concerned with the order, because that is with a single matrix, but you are concerned with the order when you go for the addition part. So first of all, you can see here that this is also of the order 2 into 2 and this is also of the order 2 into 2. So it is clear that the addition of both the matrices is possible. Okay, so now what you can be writing, you will be writing like this, children, that this is equal to minus 2, 4, 0 and minus 6 plus 3, then again 3, 5 and 0. So this will be equal to what? This is equal to minus 2 plus 3. Okay, and here we will be writing 0 plus 3. So this is 4 plus 5 and this is minus 6 plus 0. So how much is this equal to? 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 and this is 9 and minus 6. So this is the resultant matrix that you are getting. Okay, 1, 9, 3 and minus 6. So this is the way we will be doing the fourth sub question as well, children. So we will be just looking to the fourth sub question which is there. So the fourth sub question says what, children? It says 6 times of 3 and minus 2. So this is a column matrix, minus 2 times of minus 8 and minus 1. Sorry, not minus 1, it is just 1. So here also clearly what you can see, children, that both of them are having the same order, that is 2 into 1. So the process of subtraction is possible here. So what you will be writing now, that this is equal to 6 3s are 18 and then this is equal to minus 12. Okay, and this is minus, so this is 2 into minus 8 is minus 16 and then this is 2. So this will be equal to 8 minus minus 16 and minus 12 minus 2. Okay, so how much is this going to be equal to, children? 8 minus minus 16 is 8 plus 16. So this is going to be 34 and then this is minus 14. Okay, so this is the value that you are getting. So this is first and this was sub question 4. So this was an easy one. Alright, so now we will be moving to question number 2, children. So we will just look what is question number 2. So question number 2 looks also a very similar one, children, wherein you will have to find out the value of x and y. So what you can be doing here, children, the first one looks pretty easy. I will be doing the second one for you. Okay, so that it will be easy one. So first sub question is going to be your homework. I will be doing the second sub question. First sub question, what you will be doing, children, see upon this. So I'll just give you the hint, x and then you have plus 2 y, since the question of this type I haven't told you how to do before. So this is an easy one, children. You just have to open the bracket. So this will be upon multiplication, this is 3x and then this will be equal to how much? 2y and this is minus 6 is equal to, you will be writing 10 0 and then you can easily do the calculation. Plus means this will become 12 plus 2y and this will become 3x minus 6 and then you can easily calculate. Okay, so this is an easy one, and if at all you are not able to, you can just have a look at the second sub question, so that then also you can be getting an idea. So this is x, this is sub question 2, minus 1 2. Okay, and then minus 4, minus 2 and y. This is equal to 7 and minus 8. So now what you will be writing? You will be writing like this. See, x being multiplied is, this implies minus x and then x is multiplied by 2. So this is 2x. Okay, minus, see, here what you will be writing, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 and 4 into y is 4y is equal to 7 and minus 8. So this further implies what, children? We will be now moving to doing the calculation part or whatever things which are possible. So we will be writing like this. See, we will be now performing the subtraction, minus x minus minus 8 and here I am having 2x minus 4y is equal to 7, and here it is minus 8. Okay, so this further implies what, children? This is minus x plus 8, or else you can write what, 8 plus x, and here you are getting 2x minus 4y is equal to 7 and minus 8. So what next you will be writing? You will be writing this implies 8 plus x, sorry, not 8 plus x, children, this is 8 minus x. I'll just erase this part. This is 8 minus x. Okay, so what you will be writing, this implies 8 minus x is equal to 7. So the value of x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1. So you got the value of x, and now you equated what? 8 minus x as 7, and now 2x minus 4y you will equate as minus 8. So now what you will be writing? You will be writing 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 8. So you will be replacing the value of x as 1. So you will be writing down 2 into 1 minus 4y is equal to minus 8. Okay. So now 2 minus 4y, I'll just erase this. Okay, this implies 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 8. So this further implies that 4y is equal to 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. Okay, so what is the value of y that you will be getting? The value of y will be equal to 10 divided by 4, that is 5 upon 2, which in turn is equal to 2.5. So this is the value of y that you are getting. Okay, so x has been calculated as how much, children? We have calculated the value of x as 1. So what you can write here, therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.5. So these are the values you are getting. Okay, so in this way sums of this type can be done. You can be expecting questions of this type, children, because this was an easy one and this is of different type as well. So we'll be now moving to question number 3, children. So what is there in question number 3, children? It says given A is this, B is this, and C is equal to this, find 2A minus 3B plus C. Okay, and A plus 2C minus B. So what I will be doing, I will be doing the first sub question, and second one you can be taking as homework, children. Okay, so this is equal to A has been given as how much? 2, 3, 1, 0. B has been given as 1, 5, 1, 2. Okay, and C has been given as what? Minus 3, 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, so now what you need to find out? You need to find out 2A minus 3B plus C. So there are many ways of doing this, children. If you want, you can be doing them simultaneously, or if you want, you can separately find out 2A, you can separately find out 3B, and you can definitely find out C, but that is going to be a tedious process. So we'll be now directly doing like this. So what I'll be writing, 2A minus 3B plus C will be equal to what? This will be equal to 2 times of 2, 3, 1 and 0 minus 3 times of 1, 5, 1, 2, and then plus C has been given as minus 3, 0, minus 1, 0. Okay, so this will imply what, children? This will imply, or else you can write equal to. So upon this, this is getting 4, 6, 2, 0. Okay, you are just performing simple multiplication, and this becomes how much, children? This is 3, 3, 15 and 6, easy ones, and then plus this will remain the same. This is minus 3, minus 1, 0 and 0. Okay, now what, children? You will be now moving to the calculation part. So here clearly you can be seeing what? That all the matrices are of same order. So you can now perform what? So this is 4 minus 3 and plus minus 3 is again minus 3, children. Okay, and then here you will be getting 6 minus 15 plus 0. Okay, and here what you are getting is 2 minus 3 minus 1, and here you are getting 0 minus 6 plus 0. So how much is this equal to, children? The answer you are getting is 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, so this is minus 2, 6 minus 15 is minus 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is again minus 2, and here minus 6. So this is the matrix that you are getting. Okay, on the similar terms you can be doing sub question 2 as well. Okay, so we'll be now moving to question number 4, children. Okay, so what is there in question number 4? It says, see, if A plus B is equal to this, find the value of A. Now how you are going to do this, children? So this is our question number 4. So they have given, see, 4 4 minus 2 0 plus 3A is equal to minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so what you can be writing, this implies 3A is equal to, how much will be 3A equal to? It will be minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 3, and then this goes that side, so this will become minus. See what is happening here, children, if you can see, this entire matrix you are taking on the right hand side, so this plus symbol is getting actually not this plus symbol, children, actually this plus symbol which is there, this is actually getting on that side, this is becoming minus. So this is what you are getting. So this is 4 4 minus 2 and 0. So you will be now performing subtraction. So this is minus 2 minus 4, 1 minus 4, minus 2 minus minus 2 is plus 2, and minus 3 minus 0. So this is equal to minus 6 minus 3, 0 and minus 3. Okay, so this is what is the matrix which I am getting, and now what I have to do, I have to find out A. So A will be equal to 1 upon 3, because children this is 3A. So you will be writing 1 upon 3 times of minus 6 minus 3, 0 and minus 3. So now what you are doing, 1 upon 3 you are going to multiply with each and every term. So this becomes equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0 and minus 1. So this is your answer. Okay, that minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1. So you have to remember, children, if at all you are getting a sum wherein at the end you are getting 2A is equal to this much or 3A is equal to this much, then what you have to do, you have to multiply that by just inverse, that is 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 2, and each number or each element of that matrix you are going to multiply with 1 upon 3 or as required. Okay, so this is the way this sum has to be done. We'll be now moving to question number 5, children. Okay, so question number 5, given A is equal to this much and B is equal to this much, find the matrix 2A plus B. So this is an easy one, children. So for sub question 1 you can be taking as homework. Find a matrix C such that C plus B is equal to, okay, so how are you going to do this? So C plus B will be taking the value of B which has been given as minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so now they have given that C plus B is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is understood, children, that C will be equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 minus matrix B. Okay, so how are you going to write this? This will become 0, 0, 0, 0. And then minus B matrix is how much? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. So 0, 0 is nothing, children. So this can be written as what, children? This will be written as 0 minus minus 4. 0 minus minus 3. This is 0 minus minus 1. And this is 0 minus minus 2. I'll just correct this, children. This I have written again 0. Minus minus 4. So it is evident, children, that your answer will be 4, 1, 3, 2. Okay, so this is an easy one. On the similar terms, you will be doing first sub question, children, wherein you will be multiplying matrix A with 2, and then you can be just adding it up with B to get your answer. Okay, so we'll be now moving to the next question, that is question number 6. So in question number 6, there are matrices which have been given and you have to find the value of x, y and z. Okay, so how can you be doing this, children? This is 2, okay, 3, 0, x1, this is looks also an easy one. So 1, y, 3, 2 and this is equal to z, 15, minus 7 and 8. So this implies what you will be writing. First we will be doing the multiplication. So 2 into 3 is 6. This is 0. This is 2x and this is 2. Plus what you will be writing. You are multiplying here with 3. So this becomes 3. 3y and then this becomes 9 and this is 3. Okay. Okay, so this is 2, children. I thought this is 1. So this becomes 6. 3, 9. 3y and 6, okay, and then here this is equal to z, 15, minus 7 and 8. Now you will be performing addition, children. So this becomes 6 plus 3, this becomes 0 plus 3y, this is 2x plus 9 and here you have 2 plus 6. And this is equal to what? This is equal to z minus 7, 15 and 8. So this implies 6 plus 3 is how much, children? 9, 3y, 2x plus 9 and here you have 8. And this is equal to what? This is equal to z minus 7, 15 and 8. Okay. So now what you will be writing? We have to equate, children. So 9 will be equal to z. So what you will be writing? That z is equal to 9. Now 2x plus 9 is equal to minus 7. So write down 2x plus 9 is equal to minus 7. So this implies 2x will be equal to minus 7 minus 9, which is equal to minus 16. So x will be equal to minus 8. And then 3y will be equal to 15. So write down 3y is equal to 15. So the value of y will be equal to 5. Wasn't this an easy one, children? Yes, it was. So what are the values that you are getting? You will be writing, therefore, x is equal to minus 8, y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 9. Okay. So in this way, you will be doing this particular sum. We will be now moving to question number 7, children. So we'll just look what is question number 7 all about. So I'll be writing, this is question number 7. So in this, given A is equal to this and 80 is the transpose matrix, find this. Okay. So I'll be writing down transpose matrix, children. So here clearly sub question 1 and 2 will be your homework because they are an easy one. Or else what I'll be doing? Yes, I'll be doing the third and the fourth one, children. Okay. So the A has been given as C, minus 3, 0. 6 minus 9. So what will be transpose, children? I hope you all remember. This will be equal to minus 3, 0, 6 and minus 9. Okay, will this the transpose be equal to? Yes. And then we'll be moving to the third sub question because the first and second, once you are finding out the transpose, children, you can easily do the first and second sub question. Now this is what, children? This is half of A minus 1 by 3 of transpose of A. Okay. So how am I going to do this? So this will be equal to half of A is what, children? Write down minus 3, 0 and 6 and minus 9. On this is equal to minus 3, 6, 0 and minus 9. So this half when you will multiply, you will be getting what? Minus 3 upon 2. Here you will be getting 0. Then this is 6 upon 2 is 3 and then minus 9 upon 2. Minus you will be getting what here, children? 1 upon 3 when it is multiplied you are getting minus 1, 0 and then again 1 upon 3 this is 2 and minus 3. So now you need to perform what? You need to perform subtraction. So this is minus 3 upon 2 minus 1, children. So this is plus 1. Okay. And then here you have 3 plus 0. Here you have not 0, 3 not 0 plus 0 children, minus 0. Here you have 0 minus 2 and here you have minus 9 upon 2 minus 3, that is plus 3. So minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 is how much children? That is minus half. Then here it is 3. Then here I will be having minus 2. And what about minus 9 upon 2 plus 3 children? If you take the LCM, this is minus 9 plus 6 upon 2, which is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So I will be writing here minus 3 upon 2. So this is my required matrix. Okay, so wherein I have minus 1 upon 2, 3, minus 2 and minus 3 upon 2. Okay, so this is the rough part, don't get confused. So like this. On the similar terms, I'll be doing the fourth sub question as well children. So there, what do I have? So that is also an easy one actually. So here you will be writing down what the fourth one is. A transpose minus 1 by 3 of A. So A transpose is how much? Is it equal to minus 3, 6, 0 and minus 9, and 1 upon 3 will be this, and A is minus 3, 0, 6 minus 9. So this will be equal to how much? This is minus 3, 6, 0 minus 9, and then 1 upon 3 is minus 1, 0, then this is 2 and this is minus 3. So we'll be just subtracting them. So minus 3 minus 1 is children plus 1. Then here I have 6 minus 0. Here I am having 0 minus 2. And minus 9 minus 3 is plus 3. Okay. So this is what children, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 6. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 and minus 9 plus 3 is equal to how much? This is equal to minus 6. So this is the matrix that you are getting. Okay, so this is the way this sum has to be done. And now what we are doing, we will be moving on to the next question, that is question number 8. Okay. So in question number 8, what is the question children? It says given A is equal to this much and B is equal to this much. Okay, so questions of this type you have done children already. So what I will be doing, first and second is going to be your homework. I will be doing the sub question third. Okay, so I will be writing down A is equal to 1 minus 2 1 0 and B has been given as how much? 2 1 minus 1 1. Okay, so the equation is 3a minus 2x is equal to x minus 2b. So we'll just solve this before only. So this implies that 3a plus 2b will be equal to x plus 2x. You are just sending it on the other side. So this is implying what? That 3x is equal to 3a plus 2b. And now you will be calculating 3a plus 2b children. So this is 3 into a is 1 minus 2 1 0 plus 2b means 2 and this is 2 1 minus 1 and 1. Okay. So how much is this going to be equal to? This is 3 minus 6 3 0 plus what you are getting is 4, 2 into 1 is this, minus 2 and 2. So how much will this be equal to children? This is equal to 3 plus 4 is 7. Then you have 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Then you have minus 6 plus 2 which is equal to minus 4. Then 0 plus 2 which is equal to 2. So you are getting what? You are getting 7 minus 4, 1 and 2. But are you done? No children, because 3x is equal to this. So what you will be writing? 3x is equal to 7 minus 4, 1 and 2. So the value of x that you are getting is equal to, write down, 1 upon 3, 7 minus 4, 1 and 2. So if you multiply each of them, how much you will be getting? You will be getting children 7 upon 3, 1 upon 3, minus 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. So this is your answer. Okay, on the similar terms you can be doing sub question 1 and 2 as well. Alright, so this is the way this particular sum has to be done.